Our shop covers an area of 40,000 square meters. Our large covered shop and 150 blue collars allow us the great production capacity for customers. Equipped with a 60-meter plasma cutting line, long welding line,
50 ton crâne,
30-meter transport vehicle, and 15-meter lifting height, we can make the large and heavy metalwork and provide fast delivery. Automatic welding robots are commonly used in our fabrications to weld long while straight components, which greatly improves SHUOPU'S welding quality and supply capacity. SHUOPU has its own execution standards and attaches great importance to weld and finish quality. Grinding will focus on before and after welding to improve the quality of the welding process and to make the welds and metal surfaces smooth.
This is a large metal works weighing 65 tons. At SHUOPU, the crane's lifting capacity weighing up to 100 tons. The secondary components should be inspected before being joined to the main part to ensure that the quality of each combined secondary component is up to standard. The process of welding heating will produce welding stress in the metal and be retained, which will affect the strength, stiffness, processing accuracy, and stability of metal parts. Therefore, we perform vibration stress relief treatment on the welded metal parts. The plasma cutting machine can cut steel plates up to 250 millimeters thickness. For most welds, we will make grooves and grind them smooth before welding to improve the penetration of the welds. Our shop equipped with multiple rolling machines and drilling machines to meet the production needs of most parts. Drilling, tapping, turning, and milling are our most commonly used machining methods. Some small parts will be machined according to the requirements of the drawings before being combined into the main components. Our pipe rolling machines, small plate rolling machines, punching machines, etc., which can meet the production needs for most platforms. Machine assembly is an advantage we are very proud of. Our capabilities can always solve the unexpected situations during the assembling process, such as the missing standard parts, design errors, overall tolerance, etc. Shot blasting is the necessary to clean rust and increase surface roughness before painting. Our equipment can easily reach SA3. At SHUOPU, the standard paints are Jotun Hempel Axonobel and KCC. We have extensive experience in delivering that can provide the most appropriate packaging and transportation solution based on the size, shape, and weight of the workpiece. We have 150 blue collars, including welders and QC and teams for mechanical, electrical, grinding, surface treatment, machining, and delivery.